Good morning, guys. Today I start my new job as the admin person at a Taki garage. But no, seriously. I woke up like 30 minutes ago, drove in, went to the bakery, got a meat pie. As you guys know, you know how it is, Aussie life. I don't know why I just did that. Anyways, today's gonna be a fun day. I need to get into some work straight away, catch up on some things, and then we'll pick it up from there. I thought I got away from these things, but literally, Roadster, Enos, however you're meant to pronounce that, NA 1.6 litre, identical to Elbows except silver, not yellow. And this thing's in for a whole bunch of cool work. So I'll give you guys an update once they're done, but running some nice BC coilovers and stuff in it. It's cool. And of course, you wouldn't be in Queensland unless the weather turned to this in literally like 5 seconds. Full-blown thunderstorm. And I was just looking it up on the bomb, and it's like full red, black radar. Oh, listen to that thunder. Full-blown storm. Love it. Okay, this is getting a little bit ridiculous. She is calming down. At least the 34 is getting a little bit of a wash. And now it's pretty much like it never rained at all. This is literally typical Queensland weather. Okay, so heading home now. Today I didn't get to film too much because I was super busy trying to figure out everything that I needed to get on top of since Kira's left, and everything that I needed to take, you know, control of and just follow everything up. It was a bit fun. But yeah, I'm gonna get all of that sorted. Should be good tomorrow, and then I will be able to muck around a bit more and get some cool content happening. But for now, we're gonna head home. Okay, so since I'm home, I figured before we go out, let's do the Japanese word of the day. So, well, it's not really word of the day. It's more of like hiragana of the day, or like a symbol or a kanji kind of thing of the day. So today, I wanna teach you guys te. Now, the first couple examples are tempura. You guys know what that is, the nice deep fried like shrimp and stuff like that. The tenki, which is weather, and then teshoku, which is like meal set. So here's the examples in the book. We'll let it focus this time. And the first one was tempura, and it's got a nice little picture there of it. And then you got tenki under that for weather, and then teshoku for meal set. So I hope that kind of helps you guys out. It's a good way as well. Don't forget, this symbol is te, all right? Te. So there you go, tempura for tempura. I mean, tempura is tempura, right? And then tenki, which is weather, and then teshoku for meal set. So those things I think will actually help you guys out a lot if ever you visit Japan. I think that's really good. So anyways, we'll pick up the rest of the vlog from here, I guess. Okay, well, I'm heading to the workshop again. It's like 8:30 p.m. and that's because I realized I left my charger for my MacBook there, which means I won't be able to edit tonight. Plus, I'm in Australia, and everything around me, there's just like, it's so hard for me to find content and think out of the box here. Like in Japan, I can just go anywhere and everywhere, and it's content, like it's awesome, you know, like there's just so much interesting stuff happening around you at all times, no matter what time of day it is. But here in Australia, things are a little different. Anyways, well, at least I feel that way. I'm not saying Australia sucks, it's just you gotta find different ways to do the same thing, right? So anyways, we're heading back to the workshop. Once we get there, I can give you a couple updates on that little Miata Roadster MX-5 that was there and stuff like that, and show you guys around a bit more. So let's go. There it is, the charger I left at the workshop. All of that for that. Anyways, I'm not gonna forget to take that home now, but let me show you. Oh, by the way, my sister's with me. Hello. Yeah, your favorite person. I was gonna show you guys the engine bay of this and show you that we pulled it all down today. I guess we can kind of see from in here. There you guys go. Now you can see. So yeah, we pulled down the whole front of everything, and he's actually got some super cool JDM parts for it. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Toda racing parts. Don't see these every day. So yeah, anyways, he was going to get adjustable cams and stuff on it. But it looks like for some reason he ordered 2, and like this is how it came in the box, and we're like, oh, okay, there's obviously a second one in here, right? And then there was no second one, but the order and the stuff from when he got them said it was supposed to come with 2, so we're gonna have to wait for another one for now, but we can still do all the other work, which is great. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, just don't hurt yourself, please. So yeah, as you can see, all of the NA 1.6s love to leak a lot of oil. So I think Elbow's had that one in common, lots of oil leaks. But yeah, that's gonna be kind of cool to see what's gonna happen with this thing in the next few days, and I'll keep you guys updated. I just think it's hilarious that I literally just came from Japan, did some work on Elbows and fixed that, and now we're back here at the workshop, and this exact same car is here, just different paint. It's a crack up. And this thing is nearly finished, actually. This should be finished this week if everything all goes according to plan. Like, it's literally just button things up and it's done. So full RX-8 with an LS swap, which is kind of cool. It looks so weird, but how awesome is this like exhaust pie cutting stuff in here? It's pretty awesome. Craziest thing is like the customer for this wanted it to be super quiet because it's his wife's car. So they wanted us to make it adapt to the factory RX-8 exhaust. I'm sure it's restricting a lot of things, but I mean, they don't need power. They just wanted it quiet. So yeah, we got the nice like headers coming down and everything straight into that. Keep it nice and quiet for them. Oh man. Hi. You're having fun up there? You're like full Japanese right now. You got your squat on and everything. Wait, I'm pretty nervous about you falling off the edge right now. Please be careful. Okay. I can't remember if I showed you guys this magazine yet. It's super cool. It's pretty much a magazine in Japan that's dedicated specifically to just S chassis. So as you can see, Sylvia 180SX, S13, RPS 13, S14, S15. And obviously your bro is there. But one thing you can see is, I think if you remember Nobu-san's 180SX that's in Oka-chan's garage at the moment, they have a full feature on his garage. Yeah, here it is. This is his home garage, and there's that car that we've been seeing at Oka-chan's workshop, right? And there's Nobu in no one better himself. This is his S15, super clean. And I mean, he's got a few other things in there, obviously, like, but it's kind of cool to see what he's got going on. Legend Interview 1. It's so weird how they have like random parts of English and Japanese everywhere. And there's Oka-chan's Hazakashi photo. So cute. Oh man, it's funny. But yeah, I just love that he rocks like tracky dacks all day, every day to work. He's a crack up. And then there's you know, they've done more legend interviews and people that compete in D1. What's his name? Why can't I remember his name? Yokoi, that's it. The guy that runs like the Toyo tires, 180SX. Cool guy. Hey, Naoki. God, why does he always look so awkward in pictures? But yeah, anyways, you get the gist of it. Hey, Nogan. He's always got the monkey face, right? It's his famous pose. But yeah, anyways, you get the gist of it. It's a really cool magazine, and what I try to do is I try to get these like really cool magazines to put on display here at the workshop. So like we got the 326 one here. This one's pretty cool, and it's just pretty much like all the baller parts that 326 sell that we can get you guys and stuff like that. So I don't know, it's just cool. Like I love bringing some Japanese stuff like this into the workshop, especially like this one too. Like this one's cool. It's just pretty much a magazine on all the old school like Skylines and stuff like that. It's really cool. But yeah. Okay, if you can't tell, I'm stalling for time. And like I said while I was driving over here, it's difficult for me because I'm just not used to being here anymore. Like, I know Australia is where I initially came from. This is like, you know, where I was born and brought up and all that type of stuff. And I lived here for like 24 years. But to me now, like, especially like with my YouTube channel and how I've been filming and stuff, it's so difficult for me to think out of the box and be like, okay, cool, today I can go do this and go do that. Or like if something doesn't go to plan and I wasn't able to film today because I was just so focused on, you know, catching up and taking over everything from now that Kira's left, you know, I would then be like, sweet, I can at least go and do all of these things that I know will definitely be happening, and they'll also, you know, be some awesome content as well. But yeah, I don't really know what else to do here. And like every time, like I'm like, hey, are any meats on? Nothing's on. So I'm sorry guys, I feel terrible, but I'll make sure it's on, like, you know, on my mind every day from now on. Today was just an exception. I'm pretty exhausted. I need to try and get home tonight and pass out before 10:30 so I can get up super early, get a head start on things, and just, yeah, try and like reset. But I'm sure you all understand, and I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who's just bearing with me here. I know this probably isn't like a super big banger video, but it's still awesome. Before I go, I do want to show you guys something really quickly. We literally have like 500 of these things, you know, and then we've got like quite a few hundred of the pink and the black ones too, right? So if any of you guys are interested in these, I'm gonna put a link down in the description with a coupon code, and you can get them through the Otaku Garage website at a discounted price. Go crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys take advantage of that, but enough talking. Once again, thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Get a SAMMIT sticker, link is down in the description, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ja matane.